Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into it right away. Starting with Ganex 1200. Okay, guys, this is Ganex 1200 on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so I've been on this chart for a while. If you should notice, we actually moved this particular asset right from this resistance zone to this support zone. I've been waiting for it to change, to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, but it played around there for a while, and it took so much time before it finally broke out below this evening, and of course it has been selling since then. I also dropped a signal on this particular trade in the Telegram channel, and we smashed all the TPs. Okay, that's so amazing. Congratulations to those of you within the Telegram platform. If you are not, then you have actually missed. You can join right away. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, and of course guys, it will be targeting the next support region, and that should come in around here. Okay, sorry, this is going to be the next support region, and of course if it breaks out from there, then it should be somewhere here. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a very long time also. And of course, if you should notice, I actually marked out some trend lines right here. And I was expecting it. Okay, it got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So I knew it's going to break out, but it has been following a certain pattern right from here. So that is why I draw the trend line. Okay, so I'm actually waiting for it to break out above this trend line. If it breaks out above it, it should be targeting this region. But if it does not, it's going to sell back, and of course may likely target this particular spot again. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so guys, for now, this is still very much on downtrend. If it breaks out above this, it's going to buy. If it does not, then it's still going to sell. So at the moment, it is still selling because it is still very much on downtrend, except if it breaks out above that trend line, that is when it's going to buy. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. Oh my God. Okay, this chart is so busy. You can see how much analysis I do on daily basis in order for me to get the right signals for you guys, apart from my indicator working, just for me to confirm so many things before I pick up my signals. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, and of course this actually started a downtrend right from here, and of course broke out from this particular support zone to get to a new support zone at this region. It has not been able to break out from here, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, so if it should break out above this particular spot, then we expect it to buy more. Okay, so I expect it to target this region right away. Okay, so we are still expecting more buying opportunity after the pullback. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and this actually sold right from this resistance zone till it got to this particular support zone that's tested this support zone several times. So it's actually a strong support zone. So it went back up again, and of course got to this resistance zone, which it has also tested several times also. And of course, right from there, it had a major pullback, and of course, it sold till it got to this region and still trying to sell more. However, if it's unable to break out below this, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, and of course, this is still selling at the moment. Okay, we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It has been on a very strong uptrend, just the way we have seen it right from here. Okay, so you can see right from this support zone, it's picked up a very strong uptrend right from there, and it has been buying since then. Okay, there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so it has gotten to a new resistance zone, having another pullback, and of course it will go back off. And if it breaks out of this structure again, then it shows that it is still more of an uptrend right from there. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, and of course we should be careful around there because it is around the major resistance zone. Okay, so anything can happen right from there. Okay, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.